Good morning, my friend. It's Mr. Richard. I'm going to tell you a story. It's a story of the family. They are brothers. One day, they need to clean their house. Clean the house like this. They clean everywhere. They clean. They drum like this. They're trying to play it. And we are going to sing with them the song of sound D. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lot of fun. See me play up on my drum. Again, it's a song of sound D. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lot of fun. See me play up on my drum. Also, you can do that movement at home. You say, see me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with the D. See me play up on my drum. I hope you send me a video doing this movement. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun. I will see me play up on my drum. Sound D. It's sound D. This sound is written this way. 1, 2. You can do it at home. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. On the air, you can do like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. The activity you will do at home, you remember, you will color this drum and write sound here. Understand? This will be the homework you will do at home. You will color this. I'll send you a paper. You will color the drum and write sound